Welcome or welcome back to Junk Journal January, day number 3. So let's grab our journals and our favorite beverage of choice and let's dive into another creative session for today. Today's prompt was one that I thought might be a bit more difficult, at least it was for me, which is the Prompt of Timeworn. And I feel like in the end I did get a bit off topic, but I tried. And I feel like it's fine, it's just something to spark your imagination and your creativity, so you don't have to nail each prompt perfectly. It's not a competition of how accurately you can reproduce the prompt in a way. It's just something to have a starting point of your ideas and creativity. That's at least how I use the junk journaling prompts when I work with them. And for today I did decide a bit to focus on the time part of Timeworn more than the word itself, but I did try to make a bit of aging, but I didn't have the right tools in a way. So I just first got in with this round shape because I didn't have something to make a perfect circle. So I had to improvise a bit because I wanted to make something that was a bit more interactive on the page. So I decided to kind of make a little kind of clock, but it's not really a clock. It's just something that you can spin around on the page. So here, back out comes the awl, and we just make a little hole in the center of the page. I did struggle with that a bit because I really wanted to show off the little illustration on the bottom of the page and don't want that to be covered up by the spinny thing. And also on the back of the page is a little illustration of some snakes that I really don't want to cover up either. So that was something I was kind of flip-flopping around today to find the right space for what I was working on. But here I first decided to make the base of my little round wheel kind of stronger. That's why I did double the paper to make it a bit more sturdy. Now let's go on to decorating the little circle wheel I was going to put on the page, and I decided to make it a combination of kind of vintage things and more modern. So I got out this page of a magazine that had the word modernity in it, and I thought it would be perfect for this kind of time whatever. I just wanted to make it a bit of a contrasty page to kind of capture time, and that's why I said in the beginning it's not really about time worn in a way, it's more about time in itself as the theme for today. But I did get out a kind of sepia looking marker later on and did edge out the part of the more vintage looking side of the wheel to make it a bit more looking like it would be time worn in a way. I hope it makes sense. Just get creative with whatever comes to mind when you hear the prompt. You don't have to feel like it's something you have to nail in a way. So you can just go with whatever sparks your creativity or your interest to do. And sometimes the page does evolve in a bit of a different way while you're working on it, and that's completely fine too. I feel like that's an essential part of creativity. So I try to, especially with those journal spreads and art journaling and sketchbook pages. I just try to go with the flow and not have everything planned out in advance, to allow myself and my creativity to kind of flow throughout the process. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little interactive spread for the Prompt of Timeworn and a bit of a detour into how to kind of go off topic in your junk journal spreads in a way. And I can't wait to see all your beautiful creations for today's prompt. Happy creating!